Welcome to the bench. Here we go. Starfighter update. I had a video that I made earlier today. It's going to come out after this video because this is something I want to get on right away. My son gave me this idea. He posted about it in our Discord. Check the link in the description. Join up. Give your thoughts, ideas, and input. What I have here is a bending frame right here. So what I need to do is I need to come up with some kind of sci-fi engine for these engines for the Starfighter. So we already have the back end here. Let's see what we got. We already have the back end, the thruster part. Oh wow, this part I glued up earlier. It's got some marks on it. I'm gonna have to fill that, but out like this right here. So it goes in there, and I need something that fills these holes, and I want it kind of exposed. So the idea was to make a box and drill a hole for some round stock and feed it in there. But that led me to another idea I have with this bending jig. So what I'm going to do is grab out some stock I have here that is going to be the appropriate size. This might work. So I got some 1/8 inch rod here. It's not hollow, but it'll work. Let me cut a little slit in this here, and we'll do the test with this rod right here. So what I need is the internal dimensions of this. So it's 1.5 to here. So, but I want to run something that goes, oh, I got this in here, so I'm going to run something that goes about that far. So, say 2.5 inches. Yeah, that should be good. 2.5. So let's get that and let's mark it here. I'm trying to switch to millimeter. Let's do that. Let's work on switching to millimeter. So we'll do 64 millimeter. Alright, so we're going to mark, we're going to hit things and knock it around because that's how we roll. So we're going to mark that to be roughly about that long. But what I want to do is I want to leave some room on the end here, so I'm going to remark that here and here. So we have our space here. So this is going to be the usable, and we'll cut off the ends we don't use. But what I want to do is, let's put these away. I want to take these pins that go in this fixture here. I want to make a shape. Let's get 2 of these right about here. Fits in there, right? Okay, that fits a little too tight. Let's try the next size down here. Okay, so that fits in there. And then we want to put a bend in it. So if we come up here, put our mark in it, line up our mark. I want a little straight at the beginning of the mark. Okay, let's bring you guys in a little bit here. Alright, and back a little bit. Here we go. Alright, let's try this here. Okay. Remember to look at the camera screen so I know what I'm doing. So I want it to come up to about here on a bend. So bend up, go around there. So let's get out another peg that'll fit in there. Okay, so we'll bend that like that. Let's let's do that. I'm going to use the quick hot air station for this. And what is the temperature of it? Yeah, I add it to 100 C. I'm going to take the hot air. I'm going to warm this up here. Soften up the plastic. Take it off camera apparently. We'll lock that in there like that. I don't think that's hot enough. Let's go to 150. Alright. It feels better. Heat this up here. Do that right there. Okay, let's reposition some stuff here. Let's do that there. And let's do this here. Air station now. Okay, so this there. So now we're going to lock it in like that, and we can get a crisper angle on that. So let's move. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this off. So go there and then up through these two. And then to support that, I'm going to add these two right here. Alright. See if we can make this a little bit crisper. Alright. So we have that shape in the plastic now, so we can see that. Now let's see what that's going to look like in here. So kind of go like that. So I want to I definitely want to make this corner sharper. So I'm going to take these off, add these to there. So I'm going to heat that up and I'm going to make this corner sharper. I'm going to put a pin in there to do that. So let me Come on. Don't get all crazy on me. Don't do it. Don't you do it. I need a third hand, I'm telling you. Alrighty, let that cool down a little bit. There we go. So that's a tighter bend there. So let's see. Like that. Well, this is going to be cut shorter, so it's going to go right about there. So let's bend the end of it starting here and going to about here. So we'll do a 90 there. We'll do a 90 there. So let's try that out. Work that in there like that. Okay. Okay, we're going to have to move it down the table a little bit here. I don't want it twisting on me. Oh, it's already set. There it is. Okay, so we got that there like that. Just pin in there for that one. And then to that there. That in there like that. Okay, now we need to put how we want this radius. So we want it to start right there. And we'll get ready to put a pin in it after we heat it. I'm going to make an arm for this to hold this for me. Since this works and this is a good concept to put details and pipes on the ships and stuff, I'm going to 100% make a holder for myself. Put that there like that. Add another one of these pins there. There. Okay. So, there we go. So we got this shape right here. It's going to spring back a little bit. Alright, let's think about something here. Where's those Jenga blocks? So we got some Jenga blocks here. And let's see something. If I put that on there. I can hold it down with the blocks. What can I do? I have a temporary solution that's just going to be quick. Quick way to hold it down. Use these. Just come up through the bottom here. Come up through the bottom, I hope. Through the bottom. Like so. And we'll come up through this hole right here. Nope, not that hole. This hole right here. I'll do that like that. Hold this down by twisting that. There. Now we have a little holder. So, look at that. Already made a clamp for it. Okay, so that needs to be heated and reset. Okay, so we know this concept works. We can use this jig thing here, and we can get a piece of material the right size. So if I cut this off at this line, I can feed it into here. And it stands up a little bit, and then it's going to go in there. So let's cut a little bit off of here, right there. If we insert that into there like that, it's going to take some manipulation to get it in there. I think these are the wrong tweezers for that. Yes, they are. Is this my Tamiya? Yes, it is. Here we go. I tell you, I've owned some tweezers in my day, but all the projects that I've worked with, these Tamiya tweezers here, are just been through everything, and they are fantastic. Okay, so we have that pipe in place. Let's see if we can tuck it in a little bit more down on this end. Well, that's not bad, and we connect it like that. So we put like some power cells in there. Then we have another pipe going in a different direction. So that's not a bad idea. Wow, alright. So we're going to roll with bending some pipe for this project. So let's figure something out here. Probably going to be a long pause for a minute because I need to find something. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so where are they? That's not it. These. So I got some different size screws in place. Let's see if any of these fit these holes here. No, they don't. Okay, these do. All right. Okay, so we got step one here. Let's probably going to do this screw. So, and it's not long enough. Okay. I'm going to figure this out here, hopefully. All these screws are too short. All these are too short. Alright. I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to modify this off camera because I don't want to sit here for 20 minutes tearing apart looking for this box of screws. So I'm going to let you go here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to modify this and show it off in a future video, bending some more pipes for that engine and other parts of the ship. Thank you guys for watching, and have a fantastic day.